Okay, so to this date, I got like hundreds of comments asking about the old OnePlus Slate font on OxygenOS 11 on various OnePlus devices, be it on OnePlus Nord or 8 or 9 series. And though you cannot do that simply without root, but just in case you have root access, well, let me show you how you can do that in just a couple of minutes using a Magisk module. So if you know it already, then it's great. But Magisk is an application that enables root access on your Android devices, and it works with any device on any ROM. In fact, I tested it out on custom ROMs too, but you don't need to worry as it will work just fine on any version Android 10 or 11, be it on OxygenOS or custom ROMs. Now that we have our basics clear, let's get into the process on how you can get the older OnePlus Slate font. So first of all, if you do not have root access on your device, well, follow this video card and it will guide you on how you can do that on your OnePlus device. Okay, after that there are some simple steps that you need to follow. First of all, open the Magisk application and click on this last tab. This will show you the list of modules that are available and you can try it out later at your own risk, but for now just search for this Oxify module. Once you get it, tap on this download and install button and it will start doing its magic. But wait, you do need to set some things and answer some questions before your wish gets fulfilled. So once it starts installing on your device, it will ask you to press volume up and down key. So do that, and after that it will ask you some questions, like if you need OnePlus Slate font, press the volume up button for yes and down for no. So I'll press the volume up button, that is yes for now, and after that it will ask if you need OnePlus ringtones and notification sounds. Well, I'll say yes to that as well, so press the volume up button once again and you can decide for yourself. And rest of the options, well, you can skip already if you are on OxygenOS. Like for OnePlus Gallery, I'll tap on this volume down button, and similar for OnePlus Camera application too. I will choose no as on custom ROMs it just won't work. Similar for OnePlus Sound Recorder application, and I'll tap on the volume up button for weather and widget. And after that we have the OnePlus Calculator. So if you want it, press the volume up button, else press the volume down button. And at last, for the stock OnePlus wallpapers, well, click on that volume up button once if you want it, and nothing else has to be done. Yes, it was that simple. Now click on this reboot button and test it out. Well, fingers crossed, and there you go. We have the OnePlus Slate font with other OnePlus applications that you selected, and it was very easy to install that, and I do hope it will make some of you really happy. So if it does, well, make sure to tap on that subscribe button down below. Now if you wish to uninstall it, just open the Magisk application and go to the same modules page. Click on the remove button now, and after that just tap on that reboot button once. And done. All the applications and the OnePlus Slate font will be gone from your device, just like that. So I do hope this short video will help those of you who wanted this font, and personally I find this one really better than the newer one that we get with OxygenOS 11. So that's it for now. Do press the thumbs up button if you like it and subscribe for more videos like this one. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.